This is the easiest implementation of RAG in a local settings using Ollama. We are going to use R2R or rags to riches. This is the most advanced AI retrieval system. It supports RAG with production ready features. It's built around a containerized RESTful API. R2R offers multimodal content ingestion, hybrid search functionality, knowledge graphs, and a comprehensive user and documentation management. So we have all these features. Now we are going to test this out using our local LLMs. So for this local LLMs, we are going to be using Ollama. So what you're going to need to do is go to ollama.com and click on this download button and download the appropriate installer for depending on your operating system. Since I'm on my Windows, I go to download for Windows, get the exe file and install that. Ultimately, I will have Ollama running here. Now, once I have Ollama, I need to install two models or download two models. So if I go to any CMD or command prompt, then we need to write Ollama pull llama 3.1. This will download the 4.9 GB 3.1 llama model. And then Ollama pull mxbai embed large. This is an embedding model. This is 669 MB and we download this as well. So after we download these two models, our Ollama is ready, our local LLM is ready, and now we are going to start up the R2R. So in R2R, we don't need to do that much because it's all well jam-packed. It's all made into a package and we just need to install pip install R2R. So what we're going to need to do is go to any folder here, and in that folder I'm going to create an environment using this command. So conda create -n R2R python 3.12-y and conda activate R2R. So using this, we are inside this environment now. Once we are inside that environment, we can install pip install R2R. This will install R2R rags to riches, and then we can write this command R2R serve --docker --config name, and in the place of local LLMs we're going to put Ollama because we are using Ollama. We could use LM Studio as well, but we are using Ollama, and just press enter. This will start everything up. One more thing is that you need to have Docker desktop installed. So you can go to this link, Docker desktop, docker.com products Docker desktop, and download this Docker desktop and get it installed as well. So if you have Docker desktop, you can see something like this here, and if you go to this command, you can see that it is being pulled, Postgres is being pulled, and the dashboard is being pulled, and it is starting the service here. We need to install one more thing, which is light LLM as well. So pip install light LLM is another LLM, another library that you need to install. Now once you have done that, you can see that it is navigating to the local host of 7273. So we are here 7273. This is a local admin, so host is localhost 7272, and you can just put in any email and any password and just click on sign in with email. Now once you have this, you can see the status is connected here, and you can see amazing docs, amazing collections, and fully implemented system which you can use for RAG systems and other systems as well. So you can go to this documents here, and I've added one document which is this paper on video RAG. I'm going to show you the paper here. So this is one of the videos that I published yesterday. So this is the paper, the archive paper of that video RAG, and I'm uploaded this paper, and we are going to be asking questions based on this paper. So once I have uploaded this paper, it's a success, the ingestion is done. Now you can go to chat and you can chat with the paper. So you can select question and answer here. What is video RAG? Just press, it's going to see the different sources here. So it found 10 sources. So you can see the speed is a little lesser when I have this video recording devices on here, but you can see this video RAG, it gives out correct answers based on the different sources. and you can see that these are the different sources from the paper itself. Now you can see the vector search. Because of the vector search, we have these 10 different sources based on which this answer is being written by the model. So video rec has 3 variants: video rec T, video rec V. So I can ask a follow-up question like, what is the difference between video rec T and video rec, let's say, V? Okay, let's see if it is able to provide me the answer to this question. So what is the difference between video rec T and video rec V? So according to the text, the main difference between video rec T and video rec V is not explicitly stated. However, based on the description of the two models, I can infer some difference. So video rec T, it depends on, that focuses on the query related frames from a pre-selected video, and video rec V, this is that extends the existing rec framework while leveraging the video corpus. And that is not wrong, but it's pretty good. So this is the easiest rec implementation that you can find using Ollama and using local LLMs, and this is amazing. Now this brings to the end of this video. Now if you want to learn more about Llama V01, which is an enhanced visual reasoning in LLMs that bleeds closed source models, you can check out this video. Else you can go to my channel and watch out the other videos. See you there. Have a nice day.